Yo. Cue the stereotypical intro music. Welcome to my crib. Some of you might know me. Okay, probably not. Yeah. Oh, yes. Will, is that you? You guys probably don't know me, but my name is Maria, and I've made a few appearances on my mum's account. I've edited some of her videos as well. You guys might know me from my account called Aussie Book Nerd. If not, please follow. Please. Cool. I just really love books and I do book reviews on it. So if you guys love books as much as I do, and you love reading reviews, I do like honest reviews on books. I would love it if you could go down to the description box and click the link and maybe read a few of my reviews, because that'd be great. Also, follow my Instagram, my username. Cool. And yeah, slap a like on this video. Thanks!
What speaker is that? This looks like a water filter.
Oh, someone just sent me a notification.
Wow.
What will my outro be?